Hi there, students. To ride shotgun. Riding shotgun. Okay, a shotgun's a type of gun, yeah? The one that you very often you go hunting for birds with. It's got lots of little pellets in it. Okay, but to ride shotgun means to sit in the passenger seat next to the driver of the car. So my friend drove and I rode shotgun. I sat in the passenger seat. I rode shotgun so I could read the map. Well, nowadays we've got sat nav, which, well, I guess the sat nav rides shotgun with you as well. That's more metaphoric. Okay, so to sit in the passenger seat of something. I think to understand this, we need to look at the origin of it. Let's see, you know these cowboy films where uh, the baddies are going to rob the stagecoach. Well, normally we have a person who's driving the coach, who's in charge of the horses, and then somebody sitting next to them with a shotgun, armed with a rifle or a shotgun, to provide protection. Yeah. So to ride shotgun is to accompany the driver of a vehicle as an armed escort. Yeah. So you could this well, yeah. I guess with the in security vans, maybe there is somebody riding shotgun with the driver, somebody who's armed. But nowadays we use this metaphorically. So you can use this to ride shotgun, meaning to sit in the passenger seat, to sit in the front passenger seat. But you can also use this meaning to accompany somebody in order to assist and protect, to supervise. So I'm going to let the new trainee take charge of today's event, but I'm going to ride shotgun. I'm going to be there to help, to assist in case there are any problems, to watch out for any risks. So when you're new to something and doing it for the first time, it's very good to have somebody riding shotgun. Yeah, somebody who accompanies you, who knows what they're doing. Yeah. Okay, so to keep a watchful eye on something. Okay, so I guess the Bank of England rides shotgun over the nation's economy. I guess the Chancellor of the Exchequer is in charge of the economy, but the Bank of England is riding shotgun. Okay, so it's got this idea of to accompany somebody when they're doing something, to supervise, but not necessarily to you're not there, you're not going to take charge unless that person gets into trouble. Okay, and this is the idea of to ride shotgun. Yeah. Okay, so to ride shotgun, to sit in the front seat of the vehicle. Yeah, because you can do things. If you ride shotgun in the vehicle, you pass the personal water, you say, oh, look, we need to go right here, and various different things. And then to ride shotgun, to act as a protector. Yeah, and this is the idea. Okay, so yeah, to effectively to accompany and help somebody. Okay, so let's see, formality. Firstly, this phrase is American and it's informal. I think I would give this a 4 in formality. Use it in an informal conversation. I think you could just about use it in a semi-formal conversation, but I don't think I would use it more than that. Let's see, more formally, to help, to accompany, to supervise, to keep an eye is informal as well. Okay, so to ride shotgun, yeah, to sit in the front seat or to accompany somebody in case there are any problems or unforeseen eventualities. I love it. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To ride shotgun.